Hello students, we know that all geometric figures are built by basic figures like points, lines, line segments, rays and planes. Let us revise the basic figures and also learn about intersecting lines, parallel lines and perpendicular lines. Now, what can you observe from these clocks other than the time they show? One of the most important shapes in geometry. Many concepts in geometry are based on this. Did you figure it out? Here we are talking about angles. Every time the hand of the clock moves, it forms a different angles. Angle is basically a combination of two rays with a common endpoint called as a vertex. And the word angle comes from a Latin word angulus, which means corner. Let's understand it with real life examples. In this module, we will learn basics of geometry with real life examples. If you look around yourself in your surroundings, you will see enormous use of lines and angles. And this all begins with a point. A point in geometry is a location. It has no size, that is, no width, no length and no depth. A point is shown by a dot. Here are some real life examples of point. A point is the originating part of a line, line segment, ray and angle. Point is a location of a place in the map. Joining point of a needle is known as a point. Now we will discuss line. In geometry, a line can be defined as a straight, one-dimensional figure that has no thickness and extends endlessly in both directions. Here are real-life examples of a line. Now, next topic is line segment. Line segment is a part of line having two endpoints. Line segment on a shape are called sides. It can be found in many shapes. Here are real life examples of line segment. A chord of a circle is a line segment that connects one point on the edge of the circle with another point on the circle. Now next definition is ray. A ray can be defined as a part of line that has a fixed starting point but no end point. Now watch real life examples of ray. A ray is a portion of line which has one end point and extends forever in one direction. Sun rays are a perfect examples of rays. Next we will learn about plane. A plane is a flat surface with no thickness. The top of a table, the floor, walls of a classroom, and a board are all like a plane. Now we will read about different types of lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines in a plane which do not meet. That is, two straight lines in a plane that do not intersect at any point are said to be parallel. Lines are always the same distance apart and never touching. The red line is parallel to blue line in each of these examples. Here are examples of parallel lines in real life. Lines that are always the same distance apart and will never meet. Now we will discuss about intersecting lines. When two or more lines cross each other in a plane are called intersecting lines. The intersecting lines share a common point which exists on all the intersecting lines and is called the point of intersection. Here are examples of intersecting lines in real life. The two roads meeting at a common point make crossroads. Now we will discuss perpendicular lines. Two distinct lines intersecting each other at 90 degrees or a right angle are called perpendicular lines. Here are real life examples of perpendicular lines. These examples all have perpendicular lines that meet at a 90-degree angle. Now let's get introduced to angles. Angle is basically a combination of two rays with common endpoint called as a vertex. The two rays forming an angle from a fixed point are known as arms of an angle. They are also called the sides of the angle. If we look around us, we will see angles everywhere. Types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, full angle. Now first one is an acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degrees known as an acute angle. Also, the letter A has an acute angle. A triangle formed by all angles measuring less than 90 degrees is also known as an acute angle triangle. For example, in an equilateral triangle, all three angles measure 60 degrees, making it an acute angle triangle. Now watch the real life examples of an acute angle. Right angle. An angle whose measure is 90 degrees known as a right angle. You can find right angles in square and rectangles in objects all around you. Now watch the real life examples of right angle. angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree is known as an obtuse angle. Here are some examples of obtuse angle. Straight angle. An angle whose measure is equal to 180 degree is known as straight angle. Here are some examples of straight angle. Reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is known as reflex angle. These are the real life examples of reflex angle. Complete angle. An angle whose measure is equal to 360 degree is known as complete angle. Here are real life examples of complete angle.